In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted friends on Discord. If someone you used to chat with suddenly disappears from your friends list, don't worry, there are a couple of reliable places to check without resorting to anything complicated or risky. I'll walk you through what to look for and why it works, so you can quickly figure out what happened. Start by checking your direct messages. Discord keeps your DM history even if you've removed someone as a friend, so past conversations act like a breadcrumb trail. Open Discord and go to your DMs, the speech bubble icon on desktop, or the messages tab on mobile. Use the search bar at the top and type the username you remember, even if it's just part of it. If you ever message them, the conversation thread should appear. Open it and you'll see your old messages, which can help confirm it's the person you're thinking of. If they change their username, the thread will usually reflect that change. If they deleted their account or left servers, you may see their name display as deleted user Sal000. That label is simply a placeholder showing the account is no longer active in the usual way, but your chat history remains for reference. Keep in mind, if you manually deleted the entire DM thread or you blocked them and cleared messages, it may not be there anymore. Also, seeing the old conversation doesn't guarantee you can contact them if the account is fully deleted, but it does help you identify who they were. Next, consider server bots and logs if your shared servers use them. Many communities rely on logging bots like ME6, Dino, or Carlbot to record basic member activities such as joining and leaving, message snippets, or nickname changes. Look for channels often named something like mod logs, server logs, or join leave. Depending on your permissions, you may be able to scroll back and see when someone left, what name they were using at the time, or whether they changed their nickname before disappearing. This can confirm whether your friend left a specific server and help you match a new or altered username to the same person. Not every server enables logs, and some servers limit who can view them, so what you see will vary. Logs may also be pruned over time, so recent activity is more likely to be available than older records. Always follow the server's rules and respect privacy when browsing logs. Those two checks, the DMs you already have and any available server logs, are the most straightforward ways to track down a deleted or removed friend on Discord without overcomplicating things.